Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. Let's go over EOS. Now, if you guys have been watching this channel for a while, this is a little bit different than normal. This is what is called the one wildcard crypto pick that I have for 2021. And I know that was called out a little bit later, but this is the card. This is the one wild card I've got for you guys. Real quickly, give you guys an update of how we're doing over here. We are currently 79 for 79 wins. We've been sitting here for a little while. Here's the thing, guys. If you guys ever come out here and you guys see that the win rate has been stagnant for a while, it's because we were in a lot of trades, and this is about to explode up here because we are in so many trades with the market dropping. Our buy limits have been hit. I wouldn't doubt next week when I come out, if this market sees any type of move back up, we're going to push to 80. We're going to go 81. We're going to 82, 83 wins. Right now is the best time to set up the buy limits for our coins. I'll show you guys how to get in there because anyone who's ever joined our channel, you guys have actually never lost a trade since you guys have been joining here. I'll also go over profits that our traders are making. Okay. Normally, we end up going over the metrics for each coin. I do not have metrics for EOS. We are totally maxed out at 10 coins on this website, I guess you can call it right now. I don't want to do more than 10 because I want to give you guys my best support and Telegram for all of these. EOS, all the buy limits are right here. I'm going to give you guys everything you need for EOS. Real quickly, why is EOS the wild card pick of the year? Well, first of all, guys, it is so ridiculously low of where this has been in the past here that we are buying this thing on crazy discount from the high over here. There is a news article that's come out, if you guys know this, that EOS could be used as basically it's the BNB of Binance. So we're waiting for the bullish exchange to be announced. Now, I've had a lot of articles that you guys sent me the previous week about the CEO, bashing EOS, and then it started to shift. It's so funny, like watching what you guys are doing. Now you guys are sending me the new articles that I'm seeing as well, where it's getting very bullish, like starting to, they're qualifying for regulation. So it's like, if you guys don't know this, they're actually the bullish exchange, they're trying to list it on the New York Stock Exchange to actually get credibility from the public to say, hey, look, we're on the New York Stock Exchange. You guys should trade this. We're creditable. The bullish exchange is expected to be announced before the end of the year, which puts us at about a month and a half from where we're currently at. All right. EOS is looked to be used as the coin for transaction fees, which is correlated to the Binance BNB token, which is what was used for Binance.com. Okay, if you guys look at the adoption of when Binance was actually, I'm going to use the market cap here, it'll pull close to the same. This is actually when Binance coin started to be used. It was actually right over here for the Binance.com exchange. This is what we are possibly looking at as far as the move up, this type of correlation. When it got adopted, like, okay, I know this for some of you guys, you're like, okay, that's impossible. Okay, well, fine. I'll start at the beginning then. Look at this, at least over here. Look at this move from where we're currently at, where we're talking about, I personally think, guys, EOS is around this stage right here. And I think we could start seeing this pump right here. This didn't take too long. This is when BNB coin actually got used for Binance.com. If you guys look at the past videos I did, I literally pulled up the articles of this is when Binance BNB coin was launched for exchange fees on Binance. It was literally right here. This is what happened when it started to be accumulated. The Binance, exchange ended up obviously taking off, as we all know. And this thing, it's like, this was ridiculous. This was a ridiculous move. And I really do believe we're either in two phases. We're either in this phase right now for EOS, or we're possibly over in this phase where we've already seen the initial pump and we're moving back down here. But I do believe there is a pump to be had. You guys are like, well, this is really high. No, that's nothing. This is really high over here when it really got global adoption in here, and Binance is one of the largest exchanges out there. Could bullish be that exchange? Well, it may or may not, but I think we should at least have some in the game here in case this exact pattern plays out again, because from a fundamental level, this is looking like a great entry. Okay, let me show this to you guys. Here are the 4 buy limits that I'm just going to give to everybody on here, and I'll keep you guys updated on YouTube and the Telegram channel. Because literally, I actually put more money back into EOS, and I have a buy limit set up at these exact places right now. It's at 473, 402, 323, and 252. I have all these set up. I've already had money in the past that got into the first buy limit and the second buy limit. So we are all sitting in the profit right now from the past here, about 9.69%. Yes, we were up here. I was about to call an exit, and then we dropped back down. That's totally fine. I'm just going to be holding right now. What I'm going to do with you guys is I'm going to start accumulating this with more buy limits here at these 3 levels. Because if we tag down here, I do think we could start moving back up. Now, and let me show you guys the importance. We don't have metrics for this, but we have indicators, which are very important. Watch this. When the trend exhaustion down here, as well as the well money flow pushes into the top sections up here, this is when we can expect to see drops back down in the market. Now, previous time before that, we saw this push up here, we saw this push up here, perfectly calling the drop back down. Very interesting, isn't it? Every time we get up here, we start seeing the price starting to move back down in the market, back down toward the bottom side. This is where I'm looking at as far as calling tops and bottoms for any crypto. I use this on the channel every single day. This is what we need to be watching out for. And I'm going to pull this all together here in a second. I'm just going to do that for time's sake. Looking at the bottom here, when we start getting into the bottom red section and the well money flow gets low here as well, this is when we start seeing very nice spikes back in the market. We saw this happen over here. Very nice moves back up. We saw this over here as well. And then I'm just going to pull this one more time over here. Very nice move up in the market. Very nice move back up in the market. Literally 2 indicators you guys need on your charts to call the tops and the bottoms of all your cryptocurrencies. Seriously, I don't use the RSI, MACD, or stochastic. I used to use it in a past business. I coded these and I'm like, these are the best. I coded indicators for a living for tradingview.com customers, and these are incredible at calling tops and bottoms. Why do I share that with you guys? Well, look at where we're heading. Money is flowing out of this market. If this starts moving down here, as well as the trend exhaustion moving to the bottom red section, this is when we could see a pump back up in the market, which, since this still has room to move down, I do believe we can hit our first buy limit. So I'm giving you guys literally transparent. The buy limit to enter in right now is at 473. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions only. We have just never lost a trade ever trading crypto. Okay. This also correlates to the descending support line on this chart that is very strong, which is here. We see this touch here. We see the touch here, a break and a retest back down. Break and a retest very close, where we could start pumping back up next week. Okay. If the bullish exchange is announced that it is officially going through, if bullish gets listed on the New York Stock Exchange, I believe this thing could explode. My first exit is going to be looking up here at $6.33 for about 25 to 50% exit. My next take profit is going to be up here at the psychological level at $10, which we're going to get underneath this at 9.9, okay? And then my third one up here, I already have it prepped for you guys, so you have everything. Write this down, 13.17 before we get to the height up here of an all-time high. Now, you guys are like, well, why wouldn't you just hold this for the long term if this thing is due to explode? Because I don't know if this is going to explode, and neither do you, okay? I'm not trying to be arrogant on here, but like, seriously, could this be an incredible coin correlated as we see BNB being for the Binance exchange? Yes, this could have fundamental, correlation to what's happened, but nothing is ever guaranteed in trading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to trade this, exit some, buy the pullback, and then maybe look to trade this into the future. If this does turn into a coin that we start trading on and on and on again, I will probably look to take off a coin that we're trading over here and basically take one off and add EOS. I don't know which one that's going to be. I'm not even going to go there yet. Here's what I just want to share with you guys is that I do believe setting these buy limits up in here are the best thing to do. If you guys have not gotten in with us yet, here's your buy limits right here. Again, it's 473, it's 402, 323, and 252. At minimum, if the bullish, listen carefully, I get emails about this all the time. If the bullish exchange is not announced at all, I still believe we are in such good low positions down here for EOS that we could be seeing this move up here, and I think we'll take at least a 10 to 20% profit on this, and then we can go away. I'll take it off the charts, and we'll just go back to trading our top 10 if it doesn't get launched, anything like that. That is what my call is. Make sure you guys are watching this as well. And I'll end the video here. Make sure you guys get the indicators, because these indicators, by the way, real quick, I'll show this to you guys. They're all on Black Friday sale. Just do not miss this, guys. You will never get this lower than this. It won't go lower than this again. It's 83% off. You guys get all of our indicators over here, and it's actually going to go up $50 at the end of the month. You guys can get the individual indicators by themselves, but they're 58 to 60% off. Get this, it's 83% off. You guys get the source codes to everything. Okay, just don't miss that. It's in the description. Watch Ethereum here. I may be looking to call an exit on some of our position for EOS if I see this breakdown here, or if I expect to see this breakdown. If Ethereum breaks down above this ascending support line, an incredible amount of selling pressure could enter the market. And what I might do for us is I might simply look to exit about 25 to maybe 50% at about a 10% gain and move the stop loss to break even. okay, that will at least lock in profits here. And if we start heading down further, we can just get more money into the market. But what I don't necessarily want to happen here is have this crash all the way back down, then we just get into other buy limits. I'd rather us take advantage of compound interest, exit some in the market here, and then get back in with more money because we can compound on our earnings, if that makes sense. I don't have an official call for that right now, but I want you guys to be watching that. Let's do this. I'll leave you guys with this here. Let's go to EOS.D. This is the dominance chart for EOS. Let's take a look at this. We're going to come, excuse me, here. We're going to drop this down. I want you guys to pay attention to something here. This is another reason why I think EOS is primed for a ridiculous move back up. The dominance when it was this low before was over here and it was over here. This is when we saw an incredible spike in the market. This is when we saw a ridiculous spike in the market. And we have just dropping ever since then. Guys, we're at negative 37.81% dominance. Forget this number over here. The reason I'm showing you guys this is that interest has been gone from EOS for a long time, because this actually shows you the market cap relativity to the other coins. Since the market cap has been going down here, I remember when EOS was like in the top players, like people are talking about, it has dropped down like far, guys, like a lot in the past few years. It is under the radar for a lot of people. If this gets announced, and like if you go on YouTube and you look up EOS, hardly anybody's talking about EOS. I do believe this is the wild card pick where this thing could start seeing some crazy gains over here, and I want to get us in here. I want to personally be in here. Dominance this low, guys, is ready for a skyrocket move back up, as we've seen every time when it's come back down here like this, okay? Even when dominance dropped here, we saw a very nice move back up, and I'm looking to take maybe 10 to 20% profit on this, guys, and then we're going to be good. This is a trade I wouldn't miss. All of your buy limits are right here. Here's all of your prices for buy limits. You guys can see this: 473, 402, 323, and 252. Get the indicators so you guys can watch this, because if this starts pumping up here and you guys are like, I want to look to take some profit out, simply wait for the trend exhaustion to get to the top red section, as well as the while money flow to be high. That will be a great place to look to take some profits, and then maybe buy this on the way back down if we get a higher low. That's what I'm looking for. Do not miss this. Make sure you guys get the indicators in the description. Make sure you guys are joining us over on our membership, because actually over here under the pricing, $49 a month, you guys get access to all of our trade setups for all of our coins. We have won all 79 wins on this channel based off this one single website page right here, tradeconfident.io, on the live trades tab. Click into any of the trades, and here's what you're going to see. I want to get you guys set up here so you guys can trade our other coins as well, because we haven't lost any trades over here, including EOS. What you guys are going to do is at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update to say 11/12/2021. Follow me here. To enter into all of our trades and make money with us, to enter our trades, simply take the amount of cash you would like to trade for that trade that you would like to allocate. We're going to call this $1,000 just for example. You're going to take this $1,000 and split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits. Do you guys get that? This is so simple. Trade with $1,000, $250 at this buy limit and price, $250 at this buy limit and price, $250 at this buy limit, $250 at this buy limit. There are your prices. Simply just wait for your first buy limit to get hit and then set your sell limit up here. Once you guys do that, set up yourself into the Telegram channel. It is very important that you guys do this. Again, please consult a financial advisor before entering into this trade. I am not your financial advisor. These are just trades that we've taken and we've never lost a trade. So don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Click this. It will be a hot link, which will let you guys join into the Telegram channel, like the secret group, if you will, of where I'm calling exits and using the indicators to call exits in the market. Even on EOS, I am updating you guys over here. So if you guys want to trade with us, we've never lost a trade. We are doing very good as far as percentages, and as well as get the Black Friday sale. This is where you guys want to be. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com 2 years ago. I've even had the COO and CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, and Chief sorry guys, I'm tripping on this. The COO, Chief Operating Officer, which is Iskander, he actually doesn't work at TradingView anymore, and also the Chief Marketing Officer. They reached out to me and wanted to purchase the indicators for TradingView.com. I've had that happen before. They wanted to actually buy it off of me. I'm like, no guys, like we're gonna keep it because it's a business I'm running over here. So I can tell you guys, these are quality indicators that you guys have over here. The Black Friday sale is going away after this month. You guys won't be able to get it again. I'm not gonna lower the price lower than this ever. Okay, it's gonna go up $50 at the end of the month. You guys only have like 17 days left. I should probably start changing this to a day countdown because it's only the 17 days. So make sure you guys are watching that. At minimum, price versus well money flow, trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion is what you guys want to get. But honestly, you're just a few dollars away. You might as well just get the bundle pack, and this is gonna up in value as well. On top of this, I'm going to up the prices continually of the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. So if you guys come in December and you're like, Travis, what happened? New Year's is here and you up the price of these. Yes, I am going to up the price of these. This is why I'm giving you guys a full warning. I'm trying to pay for business expenses and we're trying to hire on more people, to be honest, because we're exploding over here. You guys, it's gaining a lot of interest. We are not losing trades and people are understanding like, oh my gosh, this is a good way to trade. So we are exploding over here as a business, but I can't keep up with it. So I need to hire more people. How do I do that? I drop the prices. I create more demand. I give you guys better sales. And in turn, we make more money so I can hire more people so we all can grow together. It is a win-win for everybody. Come in over here and take a look at the profits, and I'm going to end this video. So last week, we had this guy do $12,800 in profit on Solana alone. This guy did $1,919 since he joined, and he has won every single trade. This guy did $500 over here on ADA. This guy down here got into the ADA trade and did $1,300. I'm so happy. Set up that trade, guys. This guy down here he's using leverage on here. He had 60% return on his capital in 1 month. Indicators. These guys are using our indicators and our strategy, okay? Down here, let's take a look at this guy. He's made $4,000 off Cardano. Great job. $2,300 made in a single day with 2 indicators. This is why I'm telling you guys you need to get these. The trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow. That's what he's using, okay? Crazy down here what people have been able to do. This guy actually made $4,000 in the morning. This guy ended up doing $2,000 after subscribing to the membership. He's like, that's pretty cool. And I'll leave you guys with this. This is the only channel where you can actually make money. This is the best advice any person can receive. I really appreciate that, man. Thanks, Jude. A lot. And you guys can just scroll down here and look at anything you guys want. Just come down here, just look at some. This guy made $2,000 in the single morning. We'll scroll down here. This guy made $1,100 on Solana. Scroll down here a little bit more. This guy made $7,000 over here. Scroll down a little bit further. This guy down here did $4,000 to $5,000 to the metrics. $300 off ADA in here. $321 here. Like, it just gets insane as you grow down here. 2.9K over here. 5.5K made over here. $100 made right there. $700 made right here. Like, it is insane. I know this membership is the cheapest you guys will ever find it. And you guys are like, why isn't it higher? Well, I am going to look to up this. So get yourself in now. I'll grandfather you guys in so you guys get access to this now. Come over here, set up your buy limits, and I will go over a Bitcoin video in the later of today to give you guys analysis of what I'm seeing over the weekend. Make sure you guys get your indicators set up. Set up this trade if you guys would like. I think it's going to be an amazing trade. We're up 9.82% right now. Set up this trade, guys. Get into this. Set up your buy limits for the coins that we are trading. All of these over here on the website because the membership's going to be going up. When it does, I'll grandfather you guys in, as well as the indicators are going to be going up in price at the end of this month, so make sure you guys snag those. Everything you need is in the description. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. Rest, be with your family. Don't look at the charts too much. And we'll come back here on Monday with videos to keep you guys updated. Follow the Telegram channel because that's where I'm going to be calling updates. If something crazy happens over the weekend, I'll be calling it in the Telegram channel. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you later. Everything you need is in the description. Black Friday sale. Get the bundle pack. Type in Black Friday as the coupon code. You guys get 83% off. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.